brought a testimony to their lives.
Bien-aimés dans le Seigneur,
Beloved in the Lord,
les témoignages favorables
the favorable testimonies
n'entrent pas par la fenêtre,
doesn't enter in the window.
mais les témoignages
Favorable
favorables
testimonies
entrent par la porte.
enter in the door.
Témoignage favorable,
The favorable testimonies,
oza nango pusa na ane
whatever you
oyo,
want this year,
ndongo fandi na
and
se,
you're sitting down,
okota te na
you
fenêtre,
never enter in the
mais
window.
ça va entrer par la
It will
porte.
enter in the door.
Pourquoi par la porte?
Why through the door?
Parce que c'est Jésus-Christ de
Because
Nazareth.
Jesus of Nazareth
C'est lui qui est la porte.
is the door.
Habite dans Jean,
He says,
chapitre 10,
John chapter 10,
verset 9.
verse 9,
Je suis la porte de la
I
bergerie.
am the door of the
Celui qui
shepherd.
entre par moi,
Enter through me,
il sortira,
and you come
il
back,
trouvera du
and
pâturage.
find a patchwork.
Porte, bien-aimé dans le
The
Seigneur.
door, beloved in the Lord.
Ndako nyonso na vie,
Every house in life
oyo bato batongi
that people burn
ezalaka na porte.
has a door.
Porte permettant moto asala deux
They
mouvements.
don't allow someone to do two
La
movements.
porte nous sert à deux
They
choses.
don't serve two things.
Na kokota
To enter
mpe na
and
kopima.
to go out.
Na ane oyo
This year,
eza basituation
the
mosusu
other situation,
nzambe abimiso nango,
God will take you out of
nzambe
it.
abimiso na
God will
maladie,
take you out of sickness.
abimiso na
Will take you
kolela,
out of crying.
abimiso na
Will take
soni,
you out of shame.
abimiso na
Will take
pasi.
you out of
Sopra
crying.
mabose. Est-ce que je parle à quelqu'un
Am I
ce
talking
soir?
to someone tonight?
Eza basituation mosusu
The
na ane
other
oyo
situation this year,
nzambe kobimiso na
God
porte,
will bring you out of the
abimiso
door.
na
He
chômage,
bring you out of problems.
abimiso na
He bring
maladie,
you out of sickness.
abimiso na
He bring
pauvreté,
you out of poverty.
abimiso na
He bring you
baréclamation,
out of reclamation.
abimiso na
He bring you
mawa.
out of sadness.
nzambe osukaka te na
God will
kobimisa
never
yo,
stop to bring
mais il
you
y a aussi
out.
des endroits
There's other
où
places
Dieu te fera
God
entrer.
will make you enter.
Je lève ma main ce
I
soir,
lift my hand
natomba
tonight.
loboko,
I lift my
sika
hand.
nzambe tata na nga
Let the God
mayata,
of my father
Yesu Masiya ya
Jesus
Nazareth
Christ of Nazareth
akoto na saison na
make
yo,
you enter in your season.
akoto na
Make
koseka,
you enter laughing,
akoto na
smiling.
litatoli,
Enter in the
akoto
testimony.
na bolamu.
Enter in the goodness.
Wapi moto azondima liloba oyo?
Oh, you believe in
Tika
this
porte
word.
fongamela yo
Let the door
papa,
be open for you,
porte ya
Father.
témoignage efongamela yo
Let the door
mama.
be open for you,
Soko
Father.
ndimi esalamela
If you
yo,
accept it, it will open to
soko ndimi
you.
lobo elata
If
yo,
this word will
tika
to
porte
you.
fongamela na
Let the
pokwa
door be
lelo.
open for you.
Cette année tu ne vas pas
This year
pleurer,
you never cry.
okolela te
You
papa,
never cry, Father.
okolela te
You
mama.
never cry, mother.
So bango basomba,
If they born,
yo mpo
you
kosomba.
also buy.
So bango
If
bavoyager,
they travel,
yo mpo
you
kovoyager.
also travel.
Soki bango bapima,
If they went
yo
out,
mpo
you
kopima.
also come out.
Soki bango basomba,
If they bought,
yo mpo
you
kosomba.
also buy.
Zwa yango,
Take it.
soki message eza mpo na
This
yo,
message is yours.
zwa yango papa,
Receive it.
zwa yango mama.
Receive it, mother.
Nazobisa bato nyonso te,
Not everyone.
nazoteya basi mpe mibala kondima.
Women of men of
Cette
faith.
année,
This year,
moto akangela porte
no
aza
one
te,
will close the door for
moto
you.
apekiso kota aza
God
te,
will never for you
moto
to
apekiso
enter.
mpo bima
God will
za.
never stop you to get out.
Obi ntango nzambe abisaki noe asala masuwa,
When God told Noah to build the ark,
nzambe abisi noe mutu asalaki masuwa,
Noah built the ark,
noe afongolaki porte.
opened the door.
Me ntango banyama nyonso bakotaki,
When all the animal enters,
noe te mutu akangaki porte,
Noah is not the one that locked the
nzambe mutu
door.
akangaki porte.
God is the one that locked the
Avant
door.
akanga porte,
Before he locked the door,
il a fallu banyama nyonso bakota.
he says all the animals will
J'aimerais
enter.
dire à quelqu'un ce
I want
soir,
to say to someone
pendant
tonight,
kokoti nanu te,
you hear it, as
la
you don't
porte ne
enter,
sera jamais fermée.
no doors will be open.
Wapi mutu na olobela?
Amen.
Sopranda manaboshe. Je lève ma main ce
I
soir.
lift my hand
Pendant que
tonight.
tu n'es pas encore
As you
entré,
are not in
la
yet,
porte ne se fermera
the door
jamais.
they will never
Pendant que
close.
non nobali te,
As you are not
porte
married
libala
yet,
ekokangama te.
no door
Pendant que
to
non
close.
osombi te,
If you didn't buy yet,
porte wenze ekokangama
no
te.
market to
Pendant
close.
que non obiki te,
As you are not healed
porte ya
yet,
guérison
the
ekokangama
door of
te.
healing will never
Pendant que
close.
non omati te,
As you don't come
porte
yet,
elevation
the
ekokangama
door of
te.
elevation will never
Pendant que
close.
non obimi te,
As you not out
porte
yet,
ya kopima
elevation,
ekokangama.
it will never
Wapi mutu ondima liloba oyo?
close.
Wapi papa
Who's
azondima?
the father who's
Wapi
in
mama
faith?
azondima?
Who's the mother who faith?
Natombe loboko,
I lift up my hand.
natombe loboko.
I lift up my
Il a
hand.
fallu nzambe,
It says
nzambe
God,
azela torture,
God to wait your
nzambe
time.
azalaki nkoba,
God waited for the torture.
nzambe azalaki
God
nkoba,
waited for the torture.
atambulaka malembe
He walks
malembe.
slowly.
Nazobisa mutu
I'm
moko,
talking to someone.
atozokende
Even
malembe,
if you're going slow,
nzambe mayata kokomisa
God
yo.
will grow you up.
Porte kokangama te,
The door will never
porte ya
close.
maternité okangama
The
te.
door of maternity will never
Pendant que
close.
non osimbi mwana
As long as
te,
you don't have a child
la
yet,
porte de la
the
maternité
door of maternity
ne se fermera
will
jamais.
never close.
Kaka ndongo fandi na
As
se,
you're sitting
zwa
down,
lipa na pokwa lelo,
receive bread tonight.
zwa lipa papa,
Receive bread
zwa
tonight.
lipa mama.
Receive bread,
Soko
mother.
ndimi iloba oyo,
If you receive this
zwa
word,
yango,
take it.
nengelesa mutu moko.
I'm talking to someone.
Baporte elevation no
The
ekangami
door of
te,
elevation is not closed
baporte
yet.
ya Canada ekangami nanu
It
te,
didn't close yet.
baporte ya Schengen ekangami te,
Schengen door is not
baporte ya
closed yet.
state ekangami te,
USA door is not closed yet.
baporte ya maternité ekanga mi te,
Maternity doors is not closed
baporte
yet.
élévation
The
ekanga
door
mi
of
te,
elevation is not closed
baporte ya
yet.
succès ekanga mi te,
Success door is not closed
pendant ke
yet.
nono okoti te,
As you are not entered
ye
yet.
moto okangela porte
No
aza
one
te,
will close the door for
parce qu'il y
you.
a un Dieu,
There is a
ye
God
moto asimbi
who
fongola.
hold the key.
Oh, la Bible dit,
The Bible
c'est lui
says,
qui détient la
the
clé.
one who hold the key.
Quand tu le fermes,
When he closes,
personne ne peut
no
ouvrir.
one can
Et
open.
quand tu l'ouvres,
When he opens,
personne ne peut
no
fermer.
one can close.
Pendant que nana kangi porte
As the
te,
door is not closed yet,
moto okangela porte
no
aza
one
te.
can close the door for you.
Pendant que nana kangi te,
As you didn't close
moto
lock the door
okangela
yet,
porte aza
no
te.
one can lock the door
Soko
for
ndimi
you.
loba o zwa
If you
yango,
receive this word,
zwa
receive it.
yango,
Receive it.
parce que fongola vie na yo,
And the key of your
eza pa
life
tata mwasi te,
is not the
eza pa noko
auntie,
te,
it's not my
eza pa
uncle,
mama leki
it's
te,
not my auntie.
mais la clé de ta
The
vie
key of your life
est entre les mains du
is the
Seigneur,
hand of the Lord.
entre les mains de
The
Jésus-Christ de
hand of
Nazareth.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Avec ça que je
It's the
tiens,
keys is son.
personne ne peut me les
No
ravir.
one cannot take it
J'aimerais
away.
dire à quelqu'un ce
I'm
soir,
talking to someone tonight.
j'aimerais dire à quelqu'un ce
I'm talking
soir,
to someone tonight.
porte ta guérison na yo,
Your healing
porte
door,
miracle na
the
yo,
miracle of the door of
eko
miracle
fongwama,
is to open.
parce que fongola
Because the key is
eza na maboko,
by the
yawe
hand
asimba
of the
likolo,
one who hold the
pe
heaven
asimba se,
and the earth.
le Dieu que sert mon
The
père
Jesus
Mayata,
Christ of my father
il
Mayata.
s'appelle.
Jesus.
Est-ce qu'on peut l'acclamer? Est-ce qu'on peut l'acclamer?
Can you clap for him? Can you
Est-ce
clap
qu'on
for
peut
him?
l'acclamer?
Can you clap for him? Can you clap
Est-ce
for
qu'on
him?
peut l'acclamer?
Can you clap for him? Can you clap
C'est
for
lui
him?
qui est la porte.
The one who's the door.
Abi, je suis la porte.
I'm the door.
Abi, celui qui entre par moi,
If you enter by me,
il sortira.
you go out.
J'aimerais dire à quelqu'un ce
I'm
soir,
talking to someone tonight.
soba kangela ou quelque
If
part,
the Lord put there somewhere
pour
for you,
mon abola mouté.
Jesus cannot see the good
Mais il
things.
y a un Dieu ce
There is a
soir.
God tonight.
Ah, il y a un Dieu ce
There's
soir.
a God tonight.
Asimbi fongola.
All the keys.
Fongola jouaka barole mibale.
He used it to us.
Ngene bisa mutuma na poko
I want to
lelo.
talk to someone.
Fongola eza loko moko.
The key is one,
Mais jouaka deux.
but he has two holes.
Et joua deux
He
rôles.
has two holes.
Fongola.
The key
Fongolaka.
is to open
Pe esalaka nini?
and to close.
Il y a des choses cette
There are
année.
things this year.
Il y a des choses cette
There are
année.
things this year
Oyo kokangama.
that will be lost.
Malade kokangama.
Sickness will be lost.
Sogne kokangama.
Shameless will be lost.
Kolele kokangama.
Crying will be lost.
Pauvreté kokangama.
Poverty will be lost.
Balwa famille
The love of
kokangama.
the family will be lost.
Et kokangama.
It will be lost.
Il y a aussi des
There
choses
are things
que l'Éternel va ouvrir
the
cette
Lord
année.
will open this
Je
year for
lève
you.
ma main.
I lift my
Sika
hand.
ba porte
Let the
opportunité.
door of
Ba
opportunity,
porte
of
opportunité.
doors of opportunity,
Efongamela mutu
to be
moko.
open for someone.
Efongamela mama
Open
moko.
to one mother.
Efongamela papa
Who
moko.
open to one
Si
father.
tu crois
If
cela,
you believe,
que cela s'attache à toi.
let it be attached
In
to
the
you.
name of Jesus
In the
Christ.
name of, amen.
Est-ce qu'on peut acclamer le
Can
Seigneur?
we clap for the Lord?
Les témoignages favorables
Favorable testimony.
n'entrent pas par la
Does
fenêtre,
not enter in the window.
entre par la porte.
Enter in the door.
La porte, c'est une
The
personne.
door is a person.
C'est Jésus-Christ de
Jesus
Nazareth.
Christ of Nazareth.
Celui qui était monté à
The
la
one
croix.
who went on the cross.
Celui qui a tout
The
accompli.
one accomplished everything.
Il a dit à la croix,
He said on the cross,
Père,
Father,
tout est accompli.
everything is accomplished.
Jésus-christ de
Jesus
Nazareth,
Christ of Nazareth.
le Dieu qui
The
sert,
God that I saved.
Mon
My
Père.
Father saved.
mon Père,
My Father.
Jean-Paul Mayata,
Jean-Paul Mayata.
c'est Jésus-Christ de
That's
Nazareth.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Est-ce qu'on peut l'acclamer
Can you clap
fortement?
for him? Can you applaud for Jesus? Can you clap for
Si
Jesus?
tu crois ce
If
soir,
you believe in this
si
tonight,
tu crois ce
if you
soir,
believe tonight,
tu vas
you
témoigner.
will testify.
Il a dit à Marthe,
He said, Martha,
n'étais-je pas dit?
did I tell you?
Oh bro, manaboshe. Abi c'est pas une Marthe.
It's not Martha.
N'étais-je pas dit
Did I told you?
que si tu crois,
If you believe,
tu verras la
you
gloire
will see
de
the
Dieu?
glory of Jesus
Pour
Christ, the
vivre
glory
la
of God.
gloire de Dieu,
For you to see the glory of God,
eza tosha diplôme à
it's
licence,
not to get a different life.
koza diplôme à
Bachelor
licence,
degree. It's not about
eza
getting a bachelor
malamu,
degree. It's good
koza diplôme à
to
licence,
get a bachelor degree.
eza malamu.
It is good.
Mais c'est pas la licence qui nous fait entrer
But
dans la
not the
gloire.
bachelor degree will make you
Il y
go
a des
to
gens
glory.
qui ont des diplômes de
There are
licence,
people with bachelor degrees.
ils vivent dans la souffrance.
They're suffering
Il y en
poverty.
a qui ont des diplômes de
There are people with
doctorat,
bachelor degree,
ils sont dans la
PhD.
souffrance.
They are in the poverty.
Mais en a bateau,
But there are certain people,
ndenge papa yembi,
as the father
abi
said,
nabotama na famille ya
I
mbongo,
was born not in a
nabotama na famille ya mbongo te.
I was born in a poor
Mais
family.
nandimelaka Yesu
But
Masiya ya
I'm not
Nazareth.
religious because of
Biso
Nazareth.
ba oyo oyo,
Us
ba
people,
erbi oyo,
us
tobotami na quartier ya suka.
we were in the end of the area
Esika njili naki mbateke kabwana.
where two areas
Tosokola ba meya mabulu biso.
we wash the water of
Kota
the
Sekomas,
wall. We started there.
na suka
But
quartier
in the end of the area,
nana oyeba yo.
who will know you?
Je me le dis à quelqu'un ce
I want to
soir,
talk to someone
il y a
tonight.
un Dieu qui prend du
There's a
néant,
God that takes from down.
il y a un Dieu qui
There's
ramasse.
a God who pick you from down.
Cette année,
This year,
tu es la personne que Dieu va
you will be
ramasser.
the one God who pick down.
Si c'est à toi que je
Tell
parle,
yourself that
que cela s'attache à toi.
let that be your portion.
Na kati ya mboko yo,
In this
il y
country,
aura des gens que le
there
Dieu
are
de
these
Mayata
people, God of
va
Mayata,
ramasser.
who lift from down.
Nde nzambe alokota babiso
The
oyo.
way God pick us.
Loso nakende États-Unis bato bakende misala te.
If I go to where people won't go to work,
Papa bolesengi na congé.
I need to fix this.
Na otala benga na leki ya papa oyo.
I'm the
Aye ya
young
mokolo
father.
pa na nga.
I'm the young one of this
Me
father.
mpo na konore ngai leki na ye.
To honor me, his young father.
Mpo na konore nga mwana tata ne
Honor
Mayata.
me, the son of his father Mayata.
Abi osala te mpo
He said,
honore
I'm
nga.
not waiting to honor me.
Cette année, le Dieu de Mayata va
This year,
t'honorer.
the God of Mayata will bless you.
Nabi ba pe anglophone ezala be boko supporter liloba te.
English country
Mais na
people,
bondelo soko fanda ta quelques
please, if
minutes.
you can sit, let's sit.
So ere koki boye bisanga ya.
If the time is up, please
Mwana
sit down.
aigle zaka aigle.
A son of
Naza
a
mwana
eagle is
mutu ya.
a I am a person who
Yambanga.
talks a lot.
Naza mwana mutu ya.
I'm a person who talks
Yambanga.
a lot.
Yo zongisanga ka naza mwana evangeliste.
I'm a son of evangelist.
Naza mwana mutu ya.
I'm a
So
son
bo
of a
katinga te
person.
manokeka we.
I'll keep on going high.
Est-ce qu'on peut acclamer le Seigneur?
To declare for the Lord.
Les témoignages entrent par la porte.
The testimony entered through the door.
Les témoignages n'entrent pas par la fenêtre.
The testimony never entered in the windows.
Il y a des gens pendant que je prêche la parole.
There are people that are preaching the word.
L'Esprit de Dieu me convainc.
The Spirit of God is
Et
convincing
ça n'a
me.
pas tous babungisi
There's
foi.
people who lost their faith.
Il y a des gens qui viennent à l'église,
People they come to the church.
mais ils n'ont pas la foi.
They don't have faith.
Ils ne croient même
They
pas
don't
que
believe anymore.
Dieu peut faire quelque chose
That
dans leur
God
vie.
can do something in their lives.
J'aimerais donner un petit
I want
témoignage.
to give a small testimony.
Notre église.
Hello, church.
Tote ate makambo totangaka na Bible.
We don't preach things that we read in the
Mais
Bible.
tote atolaka pe makambo nzambe asalela
We
biso.
testify of things that God
So eza na
did
bato
for
bamona
us.
bolamu ya nzambe na Bible.
If God did the sin and created
Biso
for
bana
God,
bamayata
as
ORB.
the chin of Mayata RB,
Tomonaka makambo na sama
we
kola
also
tata na biso
see the
mayata.
things on the feet of our father Mayata.
Une fois comme ça dans la chambre,
One day in the room,
ma femme était en train de pleurer.
pastor's wife was praying.
Aolela.
She was crying.
Abisinga na kena moko abo pitwa minene na
I
mboka.
went to the greatest hospital in the country
Pourquoi? Parce que ba médecin ba bisaki ye.
because the doctors told her, hey,
Ozana maladie moko compliquée.
you have a very complicated sickness.
Nana tina otanga kombo na
I don't
ngote.
want to cite his name, the
Parce
name,
qu'en moi il y a un nom
because in me there's
qui
a
est
man
au-dessus de tous les noms.
who's above all
C'est
names.
celui de Jésus-Christ
It's
de
the Jesus
Nazareth.
Christ of Nazareth.
Makila, ebi maladie oyo esopaka makila même pas basi.
You know the sickness that poor blood.
Il faut passer une opération.
They had to go into
Abi
surgery.
il a fallu na leko na
She
opération.
had to go to surgery.
Kama kaba médecin ba yebisi ngai.
That's what the doctor told me.
Na bisi e osalama te.
That it will never happen.
Cela n'aura pas lieu.
That will never happen.
Je priais.
I pray.
Na sala prière même pas à 2
I
minutes.
never pray for 2 minutes.
Nzambe pambola tata na nga
May
mayata.
God bless my father, my
Yesu
Jesus
Masiya Nazareth.
Christ of Nazareth.
Atanga pena kondima
He
atonga.
put faith on me.
Do moninga boye.
As you see me,
Foi pa na nga.
my faith in me,
Ne akomela.
even the one to
Ne
swallow,
abatonga.
even the one for
Ne akosokola.
even the one to shower.
Na mutu akondima.
I'm a man of faith.
Na mwana mutu akondima.
I'm a man of son of
Epai bato
faith.
bamona eloko te.
When someone people see
Nga na
nothing,
amona eloko.
I see something.
Epai bato bamona
When people see
impossibilité.
impossibility,
Moi je vois la
I see
possibilité.
possibility.
Je vois la
I
possibilité.
see possibilities.
Moi ça ne se fera pas opération.
Pastor wife said that I had to go to
C'est
surgery.
makambo kosalema te.
This thing will never happen.
Nzambe asala mama Rita ngolo.
God did Mama God get grace.
Tata apesa témoignage pour mama Rita.
Testify for Mama Rita.
Asako médecin babisa na problème na mutema.
People said, the doctor said he had a problem of the heart.
Père ebisi etala. Moni médecin wa annonce que ba problème mutema.
Father said, you see that doctor will tell you about that heart
Abosa ni
issue.
déjà qui annonce que problème mutema.
He forgot that he now tell you about the heart issue.
Abilia mela.
Eat and drink.
Eloko etungise za te.
Nothing will never disturb you.
Abinga pe funa mekanza mama
I have
yata.
to try the God of my
Je
heart.
priais pour ma femme.
Pastor pray for his
Oh
wife.
le kan opération te.
You never go on
Oh
surgery.
takapesu makila te.
You never have a issue
Eloko
of
so
blood.
kotungisa o te.
Nothing will disturb you.
Na sala prière à 2
I
minutes.
had a prayer of 2 minutes.
Après wana.
After that,
Ba matatu le komo landana.
testimony starts coming.
Abika sur place.
She was healed
Basala
instantly.
opération te.
They never do any surgery anymore.
Azwa kutuna mukumba.
Even get pregnant.
Azwa kutuna mukumba na
Even
sima
got
nango.
pregnant after that.
Abota na mapasa.
Yeah, twins.
Maman na mapasa.
She's a mother of twins.
Na tombe loboko.
I lift up my
Ouais, c'est
hand.
impossible pas bateau.
Whatever is possible in people's
Pas sur ma
eyes,
scène c'est impossible.
that's impossible.
Au moins cette année
This
2026.
year, 2026,
Le Dieu de Mayata.
the God of Mayata
Ah comme ça ouais c'est impossible.
will make what is
Ah
impossible
comme ça c'est
even
possible.
possible.
Na to makambo na moni.
I saying things
Na
that
sama
are
kona
so
tata na
in the
Mayata.
feet of my father
Pas na
Mayata.
impossibilité za la
There's
rater.
no impossibility.
Nangana matafua mutumoko.
I like to increase someone's faith
Avant de commencer à cause de la foi.
before we go to because of faith.
Tozaki na Brazzaville.
We were in Brazzaville,
Année passée c'était année 2024.
2024.
Ezaki na mois de décembre.
It was in December.
Na on peut se témoigner je peux matafua na
I'm
yo.
giving this ceremony to increase your
Lebi
faith.
tango ya cause de la foi na
When you
dimanche.
come because of us,
Oya ngona attitude ya mutu ondima.
you come with the attitude of someone who's believing.
Tona futela
We're renting
quelque part.
somewhere.
Ndako ezali kitoko.
A house was building
Il y avait des petits
beautiful,
problèmes à résoudre.
but they had a small issue to fix.
Tous ces problèmes n'étaient pas encore résolus.
The things were not solved. Everything was many things were
Na
not
respect au bailleur azaki no
fixed
pa na biso.
with the respect that they have for us.
Atini biso lettre.
They sent us a letter.
Abi pasteur,
Say, Pastor,
faites modifier ndako.
we had to renovate the house.
Ba pombo sokuta yango na lupango na
Many
immeuble.
things happening in this building.
Ezozonga tout moment.
It keeps on coming the same issue.
Na respect tozala ngo pa na
With
bino.
the respect we have for you,
To accorder bino pena 7 mois.
we give you 7 months.
Loko oza musana nzebe luka ndako humblement.
As you have a man of God to seek out very,
Abi
very
bato
slowly.
batumboli foi na nga to ndenge nini.
They say, it didn't increase my faith or what?
Tozaki na présent en musique.
We were president of the music
Aza
team.
na comité de l'église Papa Junior Mubei.
A professional Mubei in the committee of the church.
Nzamba tatanga mayata yesu masana zgada pambola
The
ye.
God of my heart to bless him.
Ma femme m'a envoyé la lettre.
They sent a letter.
Lorsque j'ai lu la lettre,
When I read the letter,
na fukami na obi.
I kneel down and I say,
Na fina nga na oza sous locataire
I'll
te.
never be
Na déclaré qu'on a
tenant
décembre
anymore.
2024.
I declare in
Na
2024.
vi na fina nga na osikala kofutela su te.
In my life, I'll never rent anymore.
Ezaki démonstration.
That was a demonstration.
Foi ezaka ferme assurance te.
Faith is not only a show
Mais
assurance,
foi ezali
it's
démonstration.
also a demonstration.
Na binzambo asala tata na nga
And the
mayata.
God who created my father, my
Azo
heart,
etenya mabela fanda na famille na
to
ye.
have a piece of land to
Ce
live in
même Dieu là,
through that,
osala nga ngolu.
he also do me grace.
Na bengi ingénieur,
I call the engineer.
ban église.
I said,
Na
tell
di
the
frère
church,
ki etela nga esika na ngai.
go and check my place.
Solo na locataire na nga zana.
Talk to my land, to my tenants.
Solo na zo ba mesure nyonso.
Get all the measurements.
Zo ba mesure nyonso soki na ye le lendemain.
When I come tomorrow,
Na expliquer au ndongo osala
to
plan.
explain you what to do as a plan.
Na bitala
Say, listen,
na omeka nzamba de la foi.
I'm trying my father,
Na
my
bi
heart.
okotongela ngai immeuble.
Say, you build for me a
Na
building.
okota na ndako wana.
I'll enter in that house.
Ate kosila nanu te.
Even if you're not going to finish
Mais
yet,
tokota ndenge wana.
but they will enter there like
Na
that.
bi année prochaine.
Next year, I said next
Na
year.
osilisa ngo pa na nga
I never,
moko.
I'll finish it on my own
Je
place.
n'avais presque rien.
I had like nothing.
Nalais presque de l'euro te.
I had like nothing.
Na ngai na matsa foi no mon frère.
I want to increase
Je
your
suis
faith.
osali nzamba mayata yesu masana zgada confiance.
If you trust the God of my
Osala
heart,
ngolo.
He'll do a favor.
Lekwaki atali.
You look at the place.
Tali.
Look at the place.
Na ye.
I came.
Na moni makambo.
I saw things.
Na bi na okoka te.
I said, no, I can't do this thing.
Ton alina s'est retiré.
When I was about to withdraw,
Je n'ai rebisi ngai.
the engineer told me,
Pasteur.
Pastor,
Oh, ondima.
you're a man of faith.
Ongo banga biloko.
Are you going to be afraid
Ya
of this?
makamba mikie.
Those are small things.
Obanga maladieux.
Are you not afraid of
Ya
sickness?
makamba mikie.
It's a small thing.
Obanga refi
Are you
oyo.
afraid of this
Ya
rejection?
makamba mikie.
It's a small thing.
Obanga stérilité
Are you afraid
oyo.
of this
Ya
barrenness?
makamba mikie.
It's a small thing.
Abi ote abiso makamba
He said, you
minene.
preach us great things.
Te abiso makamba minene.
You preach us great things.
Pona okende ba détail belé te.
I don't want to go in many details.
Na tonga ndako.
I built a house.
Koto na tonga ndako na quartier
So I built a
wana.
house in that area.
Bato nyonso koto wana.
Many people, all the
Oba
people
tonga
of that
ndako
area
afanga.
who built the house before me,
Banga tono tonga ndako.
they're afraid of building a
Ali
house.
mutu atonga ndako asa mutu
Say,
ambongo.
this person building house is a rich
Mutu
man.
atonga. Ah mutu ambongo te ma mutu ondima.
No, he's a man of faith. Yes.
Parce qu'on dit sombaka nyonso.
Because faith by everything. Yes.
Kondima memaka mutu na dimension
Faith
likolo.
can bring you in a higher level.
So oza na kondima.
If you have faith,
Bato bapesa o
God
kombo.
will give you names.
Baso babenga o papa président.
They'll call you Papa President.
Baso babenga o mama boss.
They'll call you Mayor Boss.
Mutu ondima saka na bakombe ebele.
The man of faith has many names.
Nangenesa mutu
I
moko.
want to talk to
À
someone.
cause de ta foi.
Because of your
Bato
faith,
bapesa o
people
kombo.
will give you names.
Nazwabisa mutu
I'm
moko.
talking to someone.
Bato bapesa
People will
bakombo.
give you names.
Bamsu mama boss.
So they say you are the
Bamsu
father
big
of
boss.
father, man.
Nangenesa mutu
I
moko.
want to talk to someone.
Cette année si tu crois.
This year if you
Bato
believe,
bapesa
people
bakombo.
will give you names.
Bato bapesa o kombo
People
mon
will give you
frère.
names, my
Bato
brother.
bapesa o
People
kombo.
will give you names.
Bato bapesa o
People
kombo.
will give you names.
nasisaki année passée
I finished last year
epa na nga moko
at my own place.
epa na nga moko.
At my own place.
Pourquoi?
Why?
Parce que j'avais la foi.
Because I had faith.
Témoignage favorable.
Favorable testimony.
Non, tu pas par la fenêtre,
Never enter the window.
mais les témoignages favorables
A favorable testimony.
entrent par la porte.
Enter through the door.
Nangana kende
I
rapidement.
want to go quickly
Natal Sabiso.
to show us
Quelles sont les causes
what are the causes
qui nous ferment parfois
that sometimes close
les témoignages favorables?
the doors of a favorable
C'est
testimony.
les doutes.
It's doubt.
Tembe.
Doubt.
C'est les doutes.
It's doubt.
Doute inde.
Doubt is
Et même la biso.
that
Et bon, ça biso te témoigner.
that make us lost
Donc
our
on a mon
testimony.
évangile à Marc chapitre 11,
Matthew chapter 11,
verset 23.
verse 23.
Muko sous Pierre.
One day Peter
Amoni Yesu masiana zikata otambo na
saw
mai.
Jesus walking on the water.
Habité zayete za
They said, no,
fantôme.
it's not him, it's a ghost.
Yesu masiana zikata abi rassurez-vous.
They said, no, be sure.
C'est moi.
It is me.
Pierre alobi Seigneur,
Peter said,
si c'est
Lord,
bien toi,
if it's really you,
pesa nzela nga pe na tambo na
give
mai.
me also permission to walk
Pona
on the
kome pa
water,
yo zali.
to come to where you
Yesu
are.
masiana Nazareth.
Just because of Nazareth.
Abisi Pierre.
Say to
Na
Peter,
pesi yo nzela.
I allow you
Pierre abando tambola.
to start walking on water.
Mais tangu Pierre misongi kati na
When
ye.
he come to himself,
Akomi na tembe.
he started doubt.
Abika ngam na tambo na
Am
mai.
I the one walking on the
Pierre
water?
abandi koshinda.
Peter started to
Cette année
happen.
2026.
This year 2026,
Soko longoli duti na
if
mutema na
you
yo.
have doubt in your
Le
heart,
Dieu de Mayata.
the God of Mayata
Encore ton
will
saison.
bring you into a
Il y a
new
un témoignage
season of
favorable.
favorable testimony.
Longola duti ma papa.
Remove doubt.
Mama longola duti na mutema na
Father,
yo.
remove doubt in your
Loba
heart.
eko simba mbalo yo.
This year it will work.
Ate simba kite na
Even if
2022.
it didn't work last year.
Ate simba kite na
If it
2023.
didn't work in
Ate
2023.
simba kite na
If it didn't work
2025.
in 2024.
Mais cette année
But
2026,
this year 2026,
déclarez positivement.
declare positively.
Loba eko
Say
simba.
it will work.
Yebisa voisin ko
Tell the
simba.
neighbor it will work.
Bien-aimé,
Love,
la peur et le regard
fear,
fixés vers le vent.
fix it in front.
Nenge Pierre alobaki
As Peter said,
dans Matthieu chapitre 14,
Matthew chapter 14,
verset 26
verse 26
à 30.
to 30.
Nini ekokanga baporte
What
favorable.
can close the favorable
Ezali ba
testimonies?
murmure.
It's murmuring.
Nombre chapitre 21,
Number chapter 21,
verset 4 à 6.
verse 4 to 6.
Murmure
Murmuring
ekangaka porte.
can lock, close doors.
Ekangaka porte
Can close doors
na vie ya moto.
of someone's life.
Ekangaka porte.
Can close doors.
Cette année ne murmure pas.
This year, don't murmuring.
Qu'on murmure te.
Don't murmuring.
Ah,
Oh,
kolela lela.
don't keep on
Eza
crying.
biloko oyo.
Those are the things.
Soko simengo na anoyo.
If you all this year,
Ekopimisa na saison.
bring you out of your season.
Ya ba témoignage
Of
favorable.
favorable testimony.
So oza na poso kota na
If you
saison.
want to enter in your season
Ya ba témoignage
of
favorable.
favorable testimony,
Bien-aimé dans le Seigneur.
beloved in the Lord,
Longola murmure.
remove murmuring.
Bien-aimé,
Beloved,
nini ekopimisa na témoignage
what
favorable.
can take you out of favorable
Ezali
testimony?
manque ya
It's
patience.
the lack of patience.
Manque ya patience.
Lack of patience.
J'aimerais dire à quelqu'un ce
I'd like to
soir,
talk to someone tonight.
maman, papa,
Mother and father,
sois patient.
be patient.
Attends ton temps.
Wait for your
Ton
time.
temps va
Your
arriver.
time will come.
Ta saison va
Your
arriver.
season will surely come.
banzete nyonso ebotambuma nzela
Not
moko
all
te.
the trees have the fruit same
bambuma
time.
nyonso na nzete etelaka nzela
Not
moko
all
te.
the fruit in the tree.
Omona
at the
nzete
same
moko.
time. You see a tree.
bambuma mosusu eteli
Some fruits are
me
red.
mosusu nano eteli te.
Some fruits are still
Mais
not
je
red.
voudrais dire à
I
quelqu'un,
would like to talk to someone.
cette année,
This year,
bambuma vi na
the
yo
fruit of your life,
ekotela,
it will be red.
ekotela.
It will be red.
soyo mutu na olobela
I'm talking to someone who's
esalamela
here.
yo papa,
Let happen to you.
esalamela yo
Let
mama.
happen to you,
ndenge
mother.
nebisa mutu
I
moko
want to talk to someone.
soki eza na bambuma
If the fruit
ekotela te.
that cannot be
Mais
red,
cette
but
année,
this year,
le fruit de ta
the fruit
bénédiction,
of your blessing,
le fruit de ta
the
bénédiction
fruit of your
vont
blessing,
mûrir.
there will be red.
Bambuma témoignage na
The
yo
fruit of your testimony,
ekotela,
it will be red.
ekotela.
It will be red.
soki yo mutu nazoteya
You know what I'm preaching?
esalamela yo
Let it
papa,
happen to you,
esalamela yo
mother. Let it
mama.
happen to you, mother.
nazoyisa mutu moko
I'm talking to someone.
ando kosilila yo
This
te
year will never end.
ndongo bandelaki yango
You know you
na
started.
évangile ya Jean chapitre 2.
John chapter 2.
Na évangile ya Jean chapitre 2.
John chapter 2.
yesu masiya ya nazareth,
The son of Nazareth.
yesu masiya ya nazareth na
The son
marie
of Nazareth and Mary.
baye fete
They come to a
na
party
nosi ya kana.
in the north of Canaan.
masanga esili.
The one finished.
masanga eza parmi baélément important
One is amongst the things
oyo
very important
epesaka vie na fete.
that gives life in the
pendant ke
party.
bato baomela
When people are drinking,
bakozala
they'll
joyeux,
be happy.
baopina,
They can dance
baosepela.
and they'll be happy.
ntango masanga esili
When the joy ended, the wine finished.
fete elembaka.
Then the
maria
pastor
comprendre
Mary understood.
abitika nakende mpe na yesu
Let
masiya ya
me go to
nazareth.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
abisi ye yesu masiya ya nazareth
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. tonight.
feti oyo toye awa
This part we came in.
masanga esili
When it's finished.
yesu masiya nazali tapesa réponse
So they told the
Abi mwasi.
the woman,
likambo nini
what is it
entre yo
between you
na nga
and I?
mon heure
My
n'est
time
pas encore
is
arrivé
not arrived yet.
marie esika akende
Mary, instead of her going to
atika nyonso
leave everything,
ake koyebisa bato ya
you
feti
go to tell the people of the party,
omoni bino
you see you,
bosala kaka ndenge otinda bino
just
bosala
do everything that you tell you to do.
bosala ndenge otinda bino bosala
Just tell him everything that
les moments de miracle n'étaient pas encore
The moment
arrivés
the miracle was not staying.
j'aimerais dire à
I
quelqu'un
would like to tell someone,
la foi
faith
provoque le moment de miracle
provoke the moment of miracle.
kondime provoque un miracle
Faith provoke moment of miracle.
ezala bamiracle mosusu na
There's
vie
a miracle in your life.
okotika yango te
You will never leave
il
it.
faut provoquer
You have
yango
to provoke it.
il faut provoquer
You have to
yango
provoke it.
cette année
This year,
il y aura des
there
miracles
will be miracles.
que ta foi va provoquer
Let your faith to provoke.
kondima noko provoquer
Your
miracle
faith can provoke a
ntango
miracle.
marie
Look, Mary.
ntango marie
Now Mary.
ntango marie
When Mary,
ayebise pa bandeko
he can tell the people.
Abi
of the
tala.
party, say, look,
bosala ka ndenge otinda
do
bino
what
bosala
he will say to you.
bosala ndenge otinda bino
Do as
bosala
he will say.
bamama baza awa
The mothers are here.
nayebi te so makambo wana mpe awa
I don't know
esalama
if this thing happened also here.
toza plus bakongole
We
awa
are mostly Congolese here.
oyebi soki mwasi aza na zemi
You know when a woman is pregnant,
zemi ekomi a terme
the pregnancy get to
soki mwana
the end,
obotama te
and the child is not coming out yet.
baprovokaka
They have
accouchement
to create that
baprovoka yango na
labor
deux
pain.
choses
They have to create the provoke it in two things.
baprovokaka accouchement na deux
They
choses
provoke labor pain in two ways.
soit césarienne
Either they do a
to batiaka tongama chacha
or they have to
j'aimerais dire à quelqu'un ce
I'm
soir
talking to someone.
il y a des bénédictions kati na yo
There's a blessing in you
oyo tokopesa yango tan te
that we never give it
oyo
time.
tokoprovoke
We
naissance
have to
nango
provoke it.
est-ce que je parle à quelqu'un
Am I talking to someone?
naoteya nani
Who am I
wapi mutu
preaching?
naoteya
Who am I preaching?
il y a des guérisons cette
They are
année
healing this year.
topesa yango tan
We
te
never give it time.
esengi toprovoke
We have to
yango
provoke it.
eza na baélévation
Those are elevation this
cette
year.
année
This year,
il faut toprovoke
we have to
yango
provoke it.
ndenge nayebisa mutu
I
moko
want to talk to someone.
oza na zemi ya
You
bénédiction
have the pregnancy of blessing.
nano ebotami te
It's not out yet.
mais ta foi
But your faith
ekoprovoke
can
accouchement
provoke the baby.
ekoprovoke
Can
accouchement
provoke the labor pain.
ese nazoteya mutu
Am
moko
I talking to someone?
ntango ekokaki nanu te
The time is not ready
ntango
yet.
ekokaki nanu
The
te
time was not right.
eza biloko mosusu na
There are
aloyo
certain things this year.
nzambe osala yango avant le
Try
temps
to do it before the time. Aye.
so mutu nazoteya esalamela yo
It gets given to
wapi
you.
mutu ondima
Who's a believer here?
il y a de ces choses cette
There
année
are things this year.
Dieu les réalisera
God will realize
avant
it
le temps
before time.
bato bazosolo na 10e
Some
mois
people waiting for
bato
the
bazosolo na octobre esalameli yo na
What
février
you happen to in February?
wapi mutu ondima
Who the person is
wapi
believing?
mama azondima
Who the mother is
eza na
believing?
mapamboli
The
mosusu
other blessing.
bato bazosela yango na
You are
décembre
waiting for it in December.
bokosimba yango na
But
février
you ordered in February.
natomboli loboko
I lift my hand.
tika yesu masiya ya
Let the
nazareth
son of Nazareth
asala mwasi moko awa
make one woman here.
asala papa moko
Make
awa
one father here.
césarienne
A
molimo
C-section of the spirit.
visa ya canada ebima
Hey, the child to come
visa
out.
états-unis ebima
Visa, USA visa to come
lobiko
out.
ebima
Hey, healing to come
maternité ebima
out. Maternity to
wapi
come
mutu
out.
azondima
Who the person who's believing?
wapi mama
Who's
azondima
the mother who's believing?
wapi mutu
Who's
azondima
the father who's believing?
césarienne
A C-section.
césarienne
A C-section
esengaka mbeli
require a knife.
mpo basala mutu
For
césarienne
someone to do a
il faut
C-section,
mbeli
they
ezala
need to have a knife.
ntongo tolobela mbeli
When we talk about a knife,
ntongo tolobela mbeli
when we talk about a knife,
mbeli
a knife
représente le paix
represents
le paix
the soul,
c'est la
the
parole
way,
c'est la
the
parole
word of God.
cette année
This year,
il y a des choses que la parole va provoquer
the word provoke.
cette année
This year,
si tu crois
if you believe
à la parole
in the way
de Jésus-Christ de
of
Nazareth
Jesus of Nazareth,
comme Pierre avait cru
as Peter grew and
cette
believed,
année
this year,
il y a des bénédictions
there's blessings
que le Dieu de Maître
that
Jésus-Christ
the
de
God of
Nazareth
Jesus of
va
Nazareth will
provoquer
provoke.
eza bavoyage mosusu kozala
The
provoquer
other travel you will
okoti
provoke.
2026
You enter 2026.
oyebi te
You don't know.
mais bavoyage kozala
There will be
provoquer
travel that will be provoked.
opportunité kozala provoquer
Opportunity will be provoked.
miracle kozala provoquer
Miracle will be provoked.
élévation kozala provoquer
Elevation will be provoked.
succès kozala
Success will
provoquer
be provoked.
il y a des choses
There are
qui
things
seront
to be
provoquées
provoked.
soki césarienne te
If not C-section,
faut kozwa tonga machacha
You get an injection.
tonga machacha
Injection,
epesaka mokusa
it makes you to shake.
ndenge nayebisa motu moko
I want to talk to someone.
biloko nzambe atya kati
The
na yo
things God made in you,
biloko nzambe atya
the
kati na yo
things God put in you,
ekozwa tonga
you get an injection.
ekovanda kimia te
You'll never be in peace.
miracle kati no ekovanda kimia
You
te
tell neighbor you'll never be in
kimia
peace.
kati no ekovanda
Tell
kimia
your
te
neighbor you'll never be in peace.
ekozwa tonga
You
machacha
get an injection.
ekozwa
You
tonga
get an injection.
soko ndimi yango
If you believe,
reçois cela
receive that.
zwa yango papa
Receive
zwa
that.
yango mama
Receive that, mother.
sous l'onction de mon
Under
père
the anointing of my father.
sous l'onction de mon père
Under the
Jean-Paul
anointing of my father, Jean-Paul Maître.
asalelaka yesu masiya ya nazareth
Serve Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
cette année
This year,
tu vas commencer une nouvelle saison
you start a new season. Ay, 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 ay,
moto
ay.
azalaka basaison mibale
You know, we have 2 seasons.
moto azalaka na passé
We have our past
mpe azalaka na présent
and we have our present.
voilà pourquoi la bible dit
And
ceci
the Bible says this.
ne pensez plus aux événements
Do not
passés
think about the old
et ne
things.
considérez plus ce qui est
Do
ancien.
not consider what is past.
Je me dire à quelqu'un
I'm talking to someone.
eloko elelisa yo
What makes you cry?
ekolelisa osu mbala
You
mibale
never
te
cry, make you cry again.
so ondimi zwa lilobo
If you
ekoma yo
receive in the word.
mawana ekozonga mbala mibale te
Sickness will never come twice.
la bible dit ceci
The Bible says this.
la détresse
In the time of sickness,
n'apparaîtra pas deux fois
does not come twice.
kolela ekozonga te mpo na mbala mibale
Christ will never come twice.
refe ekozonga te mpo na mbala mibale
Sickness will never come twice.
sone ekozonga te mpo na mbala
It will
mibale
never come twice.
ezonga te mpo na mbala
It will
mibale
never come twice.
l'heure de miracle n'était pas encore
The
arrivée
time of miracle was not here yet.
mais Marie
But Mary
aye koyebisa pa bandeko ya fete
tell the people of the party,
abitala
said, listen,
bosala kaka ndenge oyebisa bino
do as
bosala
you will say.
aki afandi na ye
You went to see.
yesu masiya nazareti ntango aye
Tell Nazareth came. So
c'était le tout premier
the
miracle
first
j'aimerais
miracle,
dire à
I
quelqu'un
would like to tell someone,
miracle ya liboso
the first miracle,
yesu asalango na matanga te
just didn't do it in a
Asalango
funeral.
na-
He did it in a party.
nazoyesa motu moko
Aye, 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 aye,
le
aye.
premier miracle de
The
la
first
bible
miracle of the Bible
n'avait pas eu lieu dans les
never
deuils
happened in the
le
funeral.
premier miracle
The first miracle
c'était dans la fête
happened in the party.
ndenge nayesa motu
I'll
moko
say to someone,
ndenge yesu masiya ya
the
nazareti
way Jesus Christ of Nazareth
abanda miracle liboso na fete
started a miracle in the party.
ane oyo na vi na yo
This year in your life,
ekozalaka makambo ya bafete
it will be the things of party.
natombe loboko
I lift up my hand.
natombe loboko
I lift up my hand.
ane oyo
This year,
fete ya vino ekokatana te
no part of your life will never
fete ya
end.
vino ekokatana
The
te
part of your life will never end.
il y a 3 éléments importants
There is 3 important
qu'on
things
célèbre dans la fête
that we celebrate in the party.
dans la fête il y a 3 éléments
There's 3 things
que
in
nous
the party
célébrons
that we
le
celebrate.
tout premier élément
The
de la
first
fête
things in the party,
na kati ya fête
in the party,
il y a les manger
there's food to
il y a
eat,
les boire
the things to
il y a
drink,
aussi la danse
and the dance. Aye, aye,
cette
aye.
année
This year,
en oyo
this year,
olia
you will eat,
omela
you will drink,
mpe osani
and you will dance.
so ondimi yango ozwa yango
If it's yours, receive it.
wapi mutu na olobela
Who is the person I'm talking
wapi mutu
to?
na
Who
olobela
is the person I'm talking to?
ano nzambe mayata
This
kolesa
year,
yo
God of my heart will feed you.
akomelisa yo
Will feed you.
akosekisa
Will
yo
make you smile.
akobilisa yo
Will make you dance.
soki ondimi likambo
If
oyo
you believe this,
ekosuka kaka na yo
it
moko
will
te
never end on you.
ekende na bandeko na
You
yo
go to your children.
parce que la bible dit ceci
It says,
crois au Seigneur Jésus-Christ de Nazareth
Jesus of
et
Nazareth,
tu seras sauvé
and you'll be saved.
pas toi seul
Not only you
toi
alone,
et ta famille
you and your family.
tes frères seront sauvés
You'll be saved.
tes frères seront
Your
sauvés
brothers will be
tes
saved.
sœurs seront
Your
sauvées
sisters will be
par
saved.
toi.
Not only you.
le moment n'était pas encore
The
arrivé
moment was not arrived.
mais Marie
But Mary
abitala
said, look,
bosalaka ndenge otina mi
do
bosala
as you will say.
bizarrement comme ça
Suddenly,
Christ atelemi